Welcome to the third session of the today's lecture, and I am discussing list ranking algorithm. Now we will discuss the algorithm of the list ranking. While when we uh, when we write an algorithm, parallel machine algorithm for the list ranking, we have to describe or we have to describe the name of the algorithm and for which PRAM machine we are writing the algorithm. So here the name of the algorithm is list ranking and we are writing the algorithm for the CREW PRAM. Initially we have a linked list and the values in the array next represent a linked list, which is the initial condition, and in the final condition we are having a array position which contains the value uh, representing the distance of each element from the end of the list. We have to also describe the global variable, and we have a global variable like n position array position, and the values are from 0 to n minus 1, and the array next whose values is from 0 to n minus 1. So initially we have a three global variable, two array next and array position and variable n and a variable j. So these are the four global variable. Now let's begin the execution. We have to activate the number of processor. So here the number of processor involved in the computation are P0 to Pn minus 1, as we are taking n element in the linked list. So if the value of n will be 10, it means total 10 number of processor will be involved in the execution. Now the value of I will range from 0 to n minus 1, and initially we have to assign a value 0 to the last element of the linked list, and we have to assign a value 1 to all the other element of the linked list. So using this we can assign a value 0. If the next of I is equal to I, initially we have I equal to 0. So if next of 0 equal to 0, then we have to assign position of 0 equal to 0, and uh, uh, else we have to assign position of position of I equal to 1. अगर आपका वो लास्ट नोड है लिंक लिस्ट का तो उसको आप 0 असाइन करेंगे. आपको कैसे पता चल रहा है कि वो लास्ट नोड है? अगर उसके नेक्स्ट में कुछ भी स्टोर नहीं किया गया है, इफ इट कंटेन्स द वैल्यू 0, इट मीन्स इट इज अ लास्ट नोड. और अगर उसके नेक्स्ट में दूसरे एलिमेंट का एड्रेस स्टोर है तो यस, वी हैव टू असाइन अ वैल्यू टू 1. नाउ once we will assign a value 0 and 1, then we have to compute the distance. So I told you that here we are making use of a jumping pointer, and in each successive step the jump will get double. फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होगा कि वो अपने सफिक्स के साथ ऐड होगा and there will be only a single jump. Then in the second step there will be a double jump. In third step it will be a fourth time jump, and in the next step we will have a 8 times jump, and finally in this way we can compute the distance of each element from the end. Now the value of j will range from 1 to log of n, where n is the number of element in the linked list. So here we have n equal to 10. So let's start with the j equal to 1. So I am position के जगह पे I am just writing the p. So initially we have I equal to 0. So let's see that P of 0 is equal to P of 0 plus P of next of I. So next of I will be 0. So what we will get? P0 is equal to P0 plus P0, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट ऑफ 0 का वैल्यू क्या है? 0. तो मैंने बताया था कि जो लास्ट एलिमेंट है वो अपने से ही सम होगा 0 प्लस 0. सो वी आर गेटिंग अ वैल्यू 0 in each node. Now in the second, when the value of when the value of j will become 1, then we will have to compute the position 0 equal to position 0 plus position, and the next of I once we have computed P of 0, then the next of I will be next of I. So what we will have? Next of I will be 1. So now we have next of I as 1. So in this way we can compute the distance of each element from the end of the list. Thank you.